So we know that security incidents are inevitable. As much as you protect your services, your resources, there will be a time where the attackers are one step ahead, and sometimes you will fall victim to an attack. And when that happens, it becomes immediately obvious that the point to focus effort is the instant response procedure and the process that comes with that. So included in that are things like the ability to contact the people in your infrastructure. Do you have access to those emails, those telephone numbers? And how will the instant response procedure play out? Have you planned it? Have you socialized an instant response procedure in advance? Are people aware of what they should be doing? My first piece of advice to people starting out with operational security for infrastructures would be to identify a coordinator. It's very well recognized in the community at large that without a coordinator for an incident to make sure that things are moving forward, that evidence is collected, that a summary is kept, all the different stages that are required in instant response, without a coordinator, those are very likely to fail. So identifying who would play a coordinating role in your distributed infrastructure early on is a very important piece of the puzzle.